Ever wondered why, despite all your efforts, you just can't seem to save money? You're not alone. It's a riddle that frustrates many of us. But what if the problem isn't what you think? What if, instead of the usual suspects, high living costs, stagnant wages, unexpected expenses, the real culprits are less obvious? In today's session, we're diving deep into the heart of the matter. And most importantly, we'll arm you with the knowledge and strategies you need to defeat these money-saving myths once and for all. So, are you ready for a financial revolution? Hold on to your seat because we're about to bust some serious money-saving myths. Think budgeting is restrictive? Think again. Often we perceive budgeting as a financial straitjacket, a way of life that hinders us from enjoying the things we love. But allow me to flip that narrative for you. Imagine budgeting as your personal financial GPS. It's not there to limit your journey, but rather to guide you, showing you the quickest route to your financial goals and warning you of potential roadblocks ahead. Having a budget empowers you to allocate your resources wisely, ensuring every hard-earned penny is working for you. It's about financial control, not restriction. With a budget, you decide where your money goes instead of wondering where it went. It's a tool that allows you to plan today for the life you want tomorrow. A budget is not a constraint, it's your financial GPS. It guides you to financial freedom, not away from it. Are you chasing a lifestyle or financial freedom? Let's pause and reflect on this question. We're often seduced by the glitz and glamour of a lavish lifestyle. We dream of the fancy cars, the opulent homes, the high-end fashion, and the exotic vacations. But here's a thought. Does living a lavish lifestyle truly equate to financial success? The reality is, it's easy to get caught in the materialistic whirlwind. And before we know it, we're drowning in debt, living paycheck to paycheck with zero savings. We're trapped in a cycle of earning and spending, and the concept of saving becomes a distant dream. So let's shift our focus. Let's chase financial freedom instead. Freedom that allows us to make choices that aren't dictated by financial constraints. Freedom to live life on our terms. Freedom that gives us peace of mind. Remember, it's not about how much we earn, but how much we save and invest. Do you use money to feel better? If that's a yes, then welcome to the world of emotional spending. It's that moment when you're feeling down and suddenly spending on a new gadget or outfit seems like the perfect pick-me-up, or when you're elated and decide to celebrate with an impromptu shopping spree. Emotional spending is a trap that can lead you to believe that happiness or comfort is just a purchase away. But here's the reality check. Retail therapy is a temporary high. It's a band-aid solution that can create a cycle of guilt and regret, leading to more emotional spending. It's a slippery slope that can drain your savings and lead to financial instability. So, the next time you're tempted to spend because of your feelings, take a moment. Ask yourself, is this a need or a want? Am I buying this for the right reasons? When you get paid, who do you pay first? Now, most of us would probably answer this question with a list of bills, rent, or perhaps even a night out. But here's a thought. What if you paid yourself first? Now, I don't mean splurging on a new pair of shoes or that latest gadget. I'm talking about setting aside a portion of your income right off the bat to save or invest. This simple shift in mindset can be a game changer. It's about prioritizing your future self, your dreams, your financial freedom above all else. It's about taking control of your money rather than letting it control you. It's about understanding that every pound, dollar, or euro you save is a step towards a more secure and fulfilling life. So, the next time your paycheck lands, remember this. You're not just an employee, a parent, or a friend. You're also an investor in your own life. Remember, you are your most important investment. Think your morning coffee doesn't impact your savings? Think again. It's easy to dismiss small expenses as inconsequential, but over time, they can accumulate into a significant sum. That daily latte? It could be costing you hundreds, even thousands, over the course of a year. And it's not just coffee, those little purchases here and there, they all add up. So next time you're about to make a small purchase, ask yourself if it's really worth it. Every penny counts when it comes to saving. Do you know exactly where your money goes each month? If not, you're not alone. Many people underestimate the impact of not tracking their expenses. It's like trying to reach a destination without a roadmap. Sure, you might eventually get there, but at what cost? By keeping tabs on your spending, you can see where your money really goes and, more importantly, where you can make adjustments. Remember, the key to financial freedom starts with awareness. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. What's your financial goal? This question might seem simple, but it's a crucial first step in achieving financial independence. Without clear financial goals, you're like a ship sailing aimlessly at sea. You might catch a good wind now and then, but without a destination, you're just drifting. Imagine your financial journey as a road trip. You wouldn't just hop in the car and start driving, right? You'd have a destination in mind, maybe even a road map or GPS to guide you. The same goes for your finances. Goals provide direction, and they help you make informed decisions about how to use your money. Whether it's buying a house, starting a business, or securing a comfortable retirement, your goals will define your financial strategy. They'll help you prioritize your spending, motivate you to save, and even inspire you to earn more. Remember, goals are personal. They should reflect your values, ambitions, and dreams. And most importantly, they should be achievable. So, take some time to reflect. What do you want to achieve financially? Without a destination, how will you know when you've arrived? Trying to save while ignoring your debt? That's like trying to fill a bucket with a hole in it. Here's the thing, debt is the hole. It's draining your potential savings, and ignoring it won't make it go away. It's crucial to manage and reduce your debt. Start by acknowledging it, then create a plan to tackle it. Paying off debt may seem daunting, but it's a necessary step towards financial freedom. Remember, you can't fill a leaking bucket without fixing the hole first. Relying on willpower to save money. Let's debunk that. Willpower is like a muscle. It gets tired. Relying solely on it is unsustainable. Instead, think about setting up systems. Automatic transfers to your savings account, budgeting apps, or scheduled bill payments. These systems are your safety net, working in the background, ensuring your financial health without draining your willpower. So, when it comes to money saving, remember this golden rule. Systems beat willpower every time. Ever bought something just because your friends did? There's a term for that. It's called social spending, and it can be a real budget buster. It's the sneaky culprit behind those impulse buys, the ones you justify with everyone's doing it, or it's just this once. The social pressure to spend can be powerful, and it's often subtle. It's the fancy dinner you didn't plan on, the weekend getaway that you can't afford, the expensive gadget that you don't really need. But here's the thing, you're not obligated to keep up with anyone's spending habits but your own. The key is to recognize when social pressure is influencing your decisions, and then to make conscious choices about your spending. Remember, it's your money, and you get to decide how you use it. Just because your friends are splashing out doesn't mean you have to. So next time you're tempted to spend money because of social pressure, take a moment to consider whether it's truly worth it. Your wallet, your rules. Ever thought about your money mindset? It's not just about how much you earn or how much you save. It's about how you think about money. Your beliefs, your attitudes, they shape your financial habits. Think about it. Do you see money as a friend or a foe? Is it a tool for freedom or a necessary evil? Your answers to these questions shape your money mindset, and in turn, your financial behaviors. Cultivating a positive money mindset is crucial. It's about understanding that money is a tool to help you achieve your goals. It's about believing that you deserve financial stability and prosperity. It's about recognizing that you have the power to control your financial destiny. So, challenge your money beliefs. Are they serving you or holding you back? Because the truth is, your money mindset can be your biggest ally or your worst enemy. Waiting until you have extra money to save. This is a common misconception that can derail your financial journey. Saving isn't about waiting for the right moment or having surplus cash. It's about making a conscious effort, no matter how small, to put some money aside consistently. Remember, even the smallest streams can fill a big reservoir over time, so don't wait to get started. Saving is not about having extra, it's about creating extra. Start where you are, use what you have. Think you have all the time in the world to start saving? That's where you're mistaken. Time is the most valuable asset you have, and it's ticking away second by second. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking, I'll start saving when I get that promotion, or I'll start investing when I have more money. But here's the truth. Time waits for no one. The power of compounding interest is an incredible tool, but it needs time to work its magic. The sooner you start saving, the more time your money has to grow. That's why it's paramount to start as early as possible. Not a year from now, not when you get that raise, but now. Every day you wait is a day lost. A day your money could have been working for you, so don't delay. The best time to start saving was yesterday, the next best time is now. So, are you ready to change your savings game? It's not just about the numbers, but your mindset and habits. But knowing is not enough. It's action that will set you on the path to financial freedom. Start small, start now. It's your future self that will thank you. So, are you ready to take the first step? Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell. Start your journey to financial freedom today.